Chapter 7 Accounting Introduction. Accounting in the business world can be said as the language of business because almost all business activities in the world, both individual and large companies, use accounting to calculate and to make decisions relating to the business being run. Accounting is a process that began by recording, grouping, processing, and presenting data. Recording any transaction related to finance so that the information obtained is used by people who are competent with the information, and that information is used as material for making a decision. From the description above, the notion of accounting is an activity in identifying, calculating, grouping, and assessing an event related to finance or activities that can produce quantitative data and qualitative data, especially those of a financial nature and used in decision making. Amin W 1997. In general, accounting is an information system that can be accounted for to profit financial relate report to those who need it and profit information about the condition of the company economically. The definition of accounting to the expert Abu Bakar A. and Wibowo. Accounting is a process of recording, identifying, and communicating all the company's economic transactions. Paul Grady. Accounting is a body of knowledge and has organizational functions that are arranged, original, authentic, analyze, and interpret all events and transactions and financial analysis that will occur in accounting activities to profit information needed by management about all report and accountability for the trust it receives. Kieso and VII. Accounting is an information system that starts from classifying, recording, and communicating all economic events from an organization or company to those who have an interest in that information. Board of Accounting Principles. Accounting is an activity or service event to present quantitative information where the information is in the form of material being marked about an economic body that is used in making economic decisions in choosing economic policy alternative that must be taken. American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. Accounting is an art of recording, summarizing, and managing certain process in monetary terms, transaction, and financial event, and summarizing the result of the valuation. Collier Dictionary. Accounting is an art of recording the process of financial transaction. West Carman. Accounting is a written experience that is used to take decision made in a company. American Accounting Association. Accounting is a process of identifying, recording, measuring, and financial reporting from an organization that is used as an information in economic decision making by those who need it. Sopar Lambanturuan. Accounting is a tool used as a business language where the information conveyed is only able to be understood if the accounting mechanism has been understood. Dr. M. Gede. Accounting is an applied science and art of recording which is carried out continuously according to the rules and its system. The processing and analysis of this record can be arranged in the form of financial statement as a mean of accountability from the leadership of the company or institution for their work. Decree of the Minister of Finance. Accounting is a process of gathering, analyzing, clarifying, recording, reporting, and summarizing financial transactions from an economic unit to provide financial information for those who need that information and is used for decision making. Warren et al. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial report to related parties or interested parties regarding the economic activities of a company. Arnold. Accounting as a system used to provide information, especially financial information, to anyone who need information, especially on the decision maker and controlling parties. Rudianto. Accounting is an information system that deposits or produces financial report aimed at related parties and is interested in economic activities and the condition of certain business entities. The function of accounting. The main function of accounting is as a medium of information, especially financial information about an organization or company, because from this information an economic report can be obtained where we can find out the economic condition of an organization or business entity, and we can know the changes that occur in the organization. Accounting can provide quantitative data information in the form of money. Information about the financial condition of an organization or company is needed by decision makers in making economic policies for parties within the organization of parties outside the organization or business entity. Accounting can be a tool that explains about any condition that occur in the company, especially relating to the company's finance. It can be concluded that there are two kinds of information that can be given related to the accounting process. The first is information about the company's value, and the second is information that explain the company's profit and loss. Both of these information are useful for knowing how much profit or loss a company has in a given period, knowing the company's net profit after deducting operational costs, knowing the amount of company's capital and investment that the company can make in connection with company profit, finding additional capital for business expansion, calculating the amount of tax that must be paid by the company, providing information to stock market investor to be able to register the company's shares in the stock market, making decision for the company's need in the future. In the accounting process, there are many important activities that are considered important. Let's learn about the main activities of the accounting process itself.
Main activities of accounting. Here are the main activities of accounting. Individuing. This activity is carried out by identifying all transactions in the company. Recording. This activity is carried out by recording all transactions that occur carefully, systematically, and sequentially. Communicating. This activity is connected by the existence of an accounting statement. The information is in the form of the statement relating to finance that are used by all users of the company's financial statement or internal or external parties. Accounting in itself has a very broad scope of knowledge. Accounting is used throughout the corporate transaction and in everyday human life. Field of accounting. The field of accounting include financial accounting. This financial accounting includes recording all transactions in the company without exception and making regular report, which with this report can provide important and useful information for company owners and investors who are interested in the company's performance. Auditing accounting. The field of auditing accounting is accounting which includes the examination of financial statement stroke-free, confidential accounting record. The accounting report must be verifiable through an independent auditor to produce truthful and honest information. Management accounting. Management accounting is an accounting field that uses historical data and estimate data to help management plan the company's operation in the future. Tax accounting. Tax accounting includes the calculation of all tax report in providing solution or consideration to the company in calculating the amount of tax. Budgeting accounting. The field of budgeting accounting is carried out to plan all financial activities or company budget needs in a certain period and profit comparison to company to calculate the budget projection with operational costs that really must be spent by the company. Non-profit accounting. Accounting for non-profit organization is carried out to record all activities of non-profit organization, such as social and religious organization. Cost accounting. This accounting has the duty to emphasize the use and determination of costs and to control this cost in an industrial company. Accounting system. An accounting system is a technique or method used by recording and processing accounting data that is useful for obtaining good internal control, where internal control is meant by a system that has the data to control by obtaining an organization structure has defined tasks and all human resource who is proficient with healthy practice. Social accounting. Social accounting is the most recent field of accounting and its understanding is quite difficult to explain because social accounting involves public welfare funds. Importance of accounting in management decision making. Data reports, analysis, accurate information about asset, debt, liabilities, profit are needed when you want to enter into a business, and that is why accounting is important for any business activities. Management needs accounting information. This accounting information is very essential for making a decision. Management cannot make a decision without reasonable information for backing it up. To make the decision, it has to be based on genuine facts and figures. For making the decision at every level of management, information is crucial. Accounting profits management with information regarding the financial position of the business, such as profit and loss, cost and earning, liabilities and asset. It's that is why the importance of accounting in business is very broad. Statistical data and information that accounting profits are very necessary for management to make the right decision. Recording financial transaction systematically in the book of account and finding out the profit loss and financial position of a business are the main object of accounting. The main function of accounting are having the exercisement
of profit loss and financial position, interpretation and analysis of account and statement, development of accounting system, and a collection of statistical and economic data, formulation of financial proposal, and financial planning and controlling result as per plan. 8. In the modern age, accounting is directly connected with financial management. The management is to depend on various accounting data and information for taking various decisions. It is due to entity concept and management, joint stock company, developed mean of communication and international business. 8. Scopes of business have to much expanded. Accounting keep the issue of asset happening. Accounting also can improve production and profit, control costs, and help improve the efficiency of the overall management. Management plays a very important role in the overall development of a business organization. Management has the function, namely planning, organizing, collecting business elements, motivation, coordinating, controlling, and budgeting. 8. Successful completion of this function of management depend on an efficient accounting system. Accounting is a continuous system that shows the financial position of a business entity by identifying the economic event and recording, analyzing, and presenting them. Accounting gives information about the economic entity financial position. Importance of accounting in part of business are described below. Importance of accounting in planning. Proper planning is necessary for the successful completion of various management activities. This planning, case planning, sales planning, procurement planning, determining the quantity of stock, development planning, fixing up target profit. 8. Rely on accounting data and information. Accounting importance in organization. Accounting play a very vital role in the proper execution of the important function of the management organization. Accounting helps management organization by giving information like percentage of profit over the capital investment, possession, management, efficiency in controlling. 8. Accounting important for motivation. Labor employees are to be motivated for achieving expected performance. Financial reward is one of the main motivating factor of work. The management must know the financial position of the business for providing financial benefit. Accounting helps management by giving necessary information for making proper decisions. Accounting important for CO ordination. One of the main functions of management is to achieve the final target of the business by coordinating various activities of different departments. Accounting helps in coordinating various activities of different departments of the business. It also helps the management in the adjustment of purchase with sales and expenditure with income, sales with debt receivable realization. It's to a great extent. Accounting importance in control. The main function of modern management are planning and controlling. Controlling is essential for the completion of activities according to the plan. Accounting can help management marks in control. Accounting important media of communication. Accounting plays a vital role as a media in communicating various information from different department, business, and management plan of action to various departments. For instance, in the modern age, accounting is regarded as the best media of communication in supplying information to management regarding purchase and stock, type of purchase, cost of purchase, and sales price aids. Besides, the function of accounting is to collect and provide information about the business to various interest parties. Accounting important in budgeting. The preparation of various budget is essential to run the business successfully. The historical information which is needed in the preparation of the budget is supplied by accounting. Accounting importance in professional advice. An efficient and honest account helps the management with valuable professional advice for the development of its business. In the modern age, with the complexities of business management has also become complex. In this aspect, the role of accounting is very important. The efficiency of management depends on the efficient use of accounting data and information. In the development countries, accountants are regarded as efficient and successful manager. In the modern age, in big organization, accountants are included in the management committee. It can be said that accounting and management are interdependent. Accounting is an essential tool for management.